Good morning students. So today here we are solving a two-dimension questions of the array. So the question number first is input a two matrix 3 by 3 and print the sum of these matrix on the screen. So import java.util.star class demo. Here we are taking a function void input or a public static void main string args. We require the three matrix, and before of that just we have declared the object of the scanner class. So scanner sc equal new scanner system.in. Now integer a, new integer of 3 by 3, integer v, new integer of 3 by 3, and the c is a matrix for the addition. We require the two variable I and j for the index. So now enter the 9 numbers for the A matrix. So the loop will be for I equals 0, I is less than 3, I plus plus. For j equals 0, j is less than 3, and j plus plus. We have already explained what do you understand by the two-dimensional array. So A of I j equal sc dot next int. So here the matrix A will be input. Similarly, coding we will write for the B matrix, enter 9 numbers for the matrix B. So I equals 0, I is less than 3, I plus plus. For j equals 0, j is less than 3, j plus plus, and B I of j equal sc dot next int. So till here we have inputted both the matrices of 3 by 3 at the terminal screen from the user. Now here we are calculating the sum of these matrices and stored in the third matrix. So the loop will be same for I equals 0, I is less than 3, I plus plus. For j equals 0, j is less than 3, j plus plus. C I of j equal a I of j plus b I of j. So this is the main formula for the sum of two matrices, and the size of matrix should be exactly same. Now here first we are printing the matrix A equal, then loop will be same for I equals 0, I is less than 3, I plus plus. J equals 0, j is less than 3, j plus plus. System dot out dot print. Here we require only the print statement, a I of j plus space. So there will be a one space between a two elements of a matrices, and here this is the system dot out dot print statement, not a println. If we will write println, so every number will be display in next line, so the form of that will be not in matrix. So after the first row, the line will be changed, then second line will be print, then third line will be print. Similarly, we are writing the coding for the matrix V. I equals 0, I is less than 3, I plus plus. For j equals 0, j is less than 3, j plus plus. Here B I of j plus space inside a system dot out dot print statement. So here we are printing both A and B matrix, and now we want to print the sum of these matrices. So sum of matrix are I equals 0, I is less than 3, I plus plus, j equals 0, j is less than 3, j plus plus, and this is the printing statement for the sum matrix. So here we are printing the third matrix. We have already calculated, and this is for the line change. Now here is the next question. So input a matrix of 4 by 4 and print transpose of this matrix. So what do you understand by the transpose? If when the rows will be changed into column of a matrix, then this will become a transpose matrix. So input will be same as the previous. Import java.util.star class demo public static void main string args. We have first declared the scanner object and integer num array equal new. This is the size of the 4 of 4. We require the two variable. We are not required any extra variable because we are just inputting and printing this matrices. So input a 16 number or enter a 16 number for a matrix. So the loop will be I equals 0, I is less than 4, I plus plus. For j equals 0, j is less than 4, j plus plus. Num I of j equals sc dot next int. So till here we have inputted a matrix is 4 by 4. And now the transport of this matrix is for I equals 0, I is less than 4, I plus plus. j equals 0, j is less than 4, j plus plus. So this is the main statement for printing the transpose SOP num j of I. So we will write the opposite of j of I. So this will be printed the column wise, because the A of I will be printed in row wise. So this is the coding for print the transpose of the matrix. And here this is the next question of 2D array. So input a matrix of 4 by 4 and check this matrix is a symmetric matrix or not. So a matrix will be a symmetric when the transpose of this matrix will be same as input. So till input this is the same as the transpose matrix. Integer num size of this is the 4 of 4, integer I j c equals 0. So enter a 16 number for the matrix A. I equals 0, I is less than 4, I plus plus. J equals 0, j is less than 4, j plus plus. Num I of j equal sc dot next set. So till here we have inputted a 16 numbers in the matrix of 4 by 4. And this is for the calculation for the symmetric matrix. So I equals 0, I is less than 4, I plus plus, j equals 0, j is less than 4, j plus plus. Num I of j equal num j of I. So we will compare all the rows with the columns value and then increase the value of c plus plus. So at the last we are checking here that if the value of c is equal to 16, then matrix will be symmetric, otherwise the matrix will be not symmetric. So what is the main reason behind of this? So the all the elements of a matrix and the matrix size is a 4 by 4. So 16 values of the row wise should be compared to the should be exactly matched to the 16 values vertically in the matrix. If this is all the values are the equal, so the value of c will be at the last 16. So we are checking here that if the value of c is 16, then matrix is symmetric, otherwise we will print matrix is not symmetric.